Hi, this is Dr. Stephen Bracci, Verve Medical Cosmetics. What does Juvederm cost and what are you actually paying for? Well, a common treatment range for Juvederm is anywhere from $650 to $950 a treatment. What does this mean? Well, there's different factors involved. There's different types of Juvederm. Some cost less, some cost more. Obviously, certain treatment areas cost more, such as the nose. Syringe number, if you get more syringes, obviously that's going to cost more, and the provider skill is also a variable. Starting prices can be as low as $500 a syringe for new clients or for small areas. For example, Juvederm Volbella may be the least expensive. It might range from $500 to $700 a syringe, and this is typically used for small areas or for lip treatments. However, on the more expensive end is Juvederm Voluma. Voluma costs the most. It's somewhere around $1,000 to $1,200 a syringe, but it's often used for the mid-face and cheek areas, so multiple syringes are obviously commonly used, so this actually has a big impact, so that can be very expensive. Juvederm is a hyaluronic acid filler and it has hydrophilic properties. What does this mean? Well, Juvederm is a natural product, a natural ingredient to our body, and it naturally holds water, so it's used to plump up the area. The nice thing about Juvederm and hyaluronic acids in general is that they can be reduced or reversed with an enzyme called hyaluronidase. What are the different types of Juvederm? Well, the original Juvederm XC is great for wrinkles and folds. The Juvederm Voluma XC, a thicker one, is most commonly used for the cheek and the mid-face areas. And the Juvederm Ultra XC has been most used for the lip enhancement. Juvederm Volbella XC has been most used for lips, around the mouth called the perioral area, and the tear trough below the eye. And the Juvederm Volux XC is most used and most noted for its use in the jawline area. So what is the duration of these fillers? Well, these fillers can last, the Juvederm can last anywhere from several months to a year or longer. Other brands of hyaluronic acid I should mention are Restylane, Versa, RHA, and even Belotero. They have something all in common. They're all based on the same gel that's natural to our body called hyaluronic acid. The administration techniques of these different fillers, well, there's two basic types of administration technique. We can use a traditional needle or the cannula technique. A cannula is more like a tube and a needle is sharp. Needles really are for beginners and cannulas are more of an advanced technique. However, needles also can be used most accurately for superficial lines and treating in the skin itself, whereas cannulas are greater for the areas below the skin and actually deeper injections. So overall, the considerations for treatments and the factors to look at are the cost per syringe, the injection site, the filler volume, how many syringes, and most importantly, the expertise and the experience and the eye of the provider.